Milling tools have some common aspects and some that are specific to the tool type. For this video, we'll concentrate on the terms that describe an indexable milling tool, but keep in mind most of these terms are also applicable to solid tools. The diameter is usually the outside cutting diameter of the tool, measured at its largest measurement. The length of the tool can be either the overall length of the entire tool or just the effective reach of the tool when held in a tool holder. The pitch is the number of teeth or flutes that the milling tool has for cutting. The shank or arbor is the portion of the tool that mates with the tool holder. An end mill will have a shank that slips into a hole in the tool holder. A shell or face mill will have an arbor that slips onto the shell mill holder boss. A pocket IC describes the size of the insert or inscribed circle that the cutter accepts in each pocket. Now let's look at the carbide inserts themselves. As mentioned in the last slide, the IC is the inscribed circle that can be drawn inside of a carbide insert, identifying its size. The shape or style of the insert describes its geometry, such as parallelogram, octagon, round, and so on. The cutting edge is the point that enters the material being machined and can be strong, sharp, or a combination of the two. The carbide grade describes the base carbide that is used to manufacture the insert. There are many variations of toughness and hardness in carbide, especially in carbide inserts. The coating is overlaid on top of the base carbide and provides various degrees of toughness and wear resistance. The corner radius references the corner that an insert might have that is generated by the insert into the workpiece. The max depth of cut is an advised maximum axial depth of cut that an insert should be run at for each pass of the milling operation. Knowledge of these terms is very important to selecting the right type and size milling tool for your application. Your cutting tool catalog or website will likely use these terms to describe the product, so familiarize yourself with them so that you'll be comfortable making your cutting tool selection. Now tune in for our next video where we'll cover the various milling tool types and address some of their strengths and weaknesses.